A very good morning to you all. So, today we have to start with the next part of your arithmetic progressions, that is, how to find some of the n terms. Now, some of the n terms of an AP in terms of A, N, and D is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula now we are using. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So again you see what I did last time. If I split this 2A, so A plus n minus 1 into D. One more way, you can write this formula. Now you know this A plus n minus 1 into D is the last term, that is the nth term. So I can write this as n by 2 into A plus L. As per your convenience, you can use this also, n by 2 into A plus L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Usually we are using this. But when the last term directly is confirmed to you, so you can use this Sn in this format also. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, where L is the last term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So please keep a watch upon that. Again, as I told in your previous exercises, first of all, arithmetic progression is a sequence. You need to identify what we have to do for that. Second minus first, if is equal to third minus second, then that sequence is always to be said in arithmetic progression. And how to find the nth term, that formula we have discussed there. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This was used for last term. Once it is confirmed that the given sequence is an arithmetic progression, so by using this, you know if n is given, n is given, d is given, I can find A. Out of 4 variables, 3 are given, 4th can be calculated, and we did a number of questions from exercise 5.2 point of view. You can see in all 20 questions we have applied this formula. Write numbers first to last, that what is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we are very clear that what is A, what is D, what is N, and what is An. So new is now what is Sn. And before applying this formula, again you need to sort out from the given problem, whether that is given in a simple form or in a problem sum type form. You have to identify what is A, what is N, what is D. So before coming to the application part of this formula, I would like to share with you one interesting fact, that who was the person who introduced and how did we reach this formula from an arithmetic progression point of view, and what is the application of this arithmetic progression. Suppose you are there to find some of your first 100 numbers, and that happened really in case of this Jeff Goss was the man who introduced this. So he was studying in class 5 and maths teacher was on leave, then Hindi teacher was put on substitution, and he thought that to keep the children busy, he asked, okay children, you let me know what is the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Write down the sum of all 100 natural numbers, 1 to 100, total kitna hoga, you need to find that sum. So the fellow, within 2 minutes hardly, he spent even not the 2 minutes and kept it on teacher's table to check whether the answer is correct or not. Now it was teacher's turn to see that whether the answer written by him is correct or not, and to his surprise, that answer was correct. So what he did, he has written the sum of 100 terms, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 100. And then second time what he did, reverse the order C 99, 98 and so on, and then you reach at 1. Now if you add these, so 2 times sum of 100 natural numbers comes what? 101. Very interesting result is there. Plus and C up to last, that is again 100. So how many times it comes? So 2 times I have added the 100 natural numbers, one in ascending order, then in descending order, reverse order. I followed there. And 2 times the sum of 100 natural numbers, I am getting 100 times 101, because these are 100 terms. 100 times 101. So sum of first 100 natural numbers, only the 100 I need to find, will be given by 100 into 101 divided by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 50s are. So then you will be multiplying this. Sum of first 100 natural numbers will be coming 5050. Anytime you can cross check that. So that was the answer given by the Jeff Goss at the age of 10 when he was studying in class 5 to his Hindi teacher. And this was the procedure followed later stage to give this formula in terms of AP. Now you see what we can do there to write the formula. I do not suggest that any derivation is there, the part of your syllabus, but just to make you people understand, I am sharing this with you. You know, your AP is A plus A plus D. This is sum of 100 terms I am talking about. 100 terms you are talking about in AP in terms of A and D. Then it will be A plus 2D and so on. If you go to the last term, it will be coming A plus N minus 1 into D. And then second time, if you reverse the order, sum of n terms you are saying, not 100 now, sum of n terms you are saying here. So this is, now reverse the order, A plus 100, sorry, A plus N minus 1 into D. Then it will be A plus N minus 2 into D. And so on, we have last term in reverse order, and we have written there, we wrote there, we 100, 1, 2, 3 and so on, then we reverse order 100, 99 and so on to 1. So here the first term was 1 in reverse order, here the last term will be A. Now as there, we added in all the sums we were finding is equal to 101, so 2 times sum of n terms, you just add this. A plus N minus 1 into D will be giving you 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this was 2 times Sn. So how many times? This was n times. Because there it was 100 times, here it is n times I am saying. So n times I will be getting, you add this, you will be getting 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This part. If you will add this part, again you will be getting plus 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Plus so on. You see, if you add this, again this will be 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So every time 2A plus N minus 1 into D, 2A plus N 1 minus into D, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this I am getting n times. So n times means 2 times sum of, so this implies sum of n terms will be given by n upon 2. This was there, n upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the way how we can just understand this formula, how the formula came into existence that we are using to find the sum of n terms. So please make a note of this as you are getting this all in the video lecture form, so you can just keep on revising and can see if anything still is not clear from the understanding point of view. You please do not forget to share during the live class. So 1 or 2 questions I would like to share today with you from exercise 5.3 point of view. First question, there are 4 parts. Find the sum of the following APs. So this is already given to you. These are the APs. So suppose I am taking the second part first. So in second part, the AP given to you is first question, second part exercise 5.3 NCERT. Here it is, like the question is minus 37, minus 33, and then it is minus 29, minus 29, so on to 12 terms. So on to 12 terms. And I have to find the sum of these 12 terms. So again, dear children, my gentleman advice to you, please write that n is equal to 12 and I have to find S12. So A is equal to minus 37 and what is D is equal to minus 33 minus 37. So plus 37 minus 33 will give you D is equal to 4. So please put that carefully, D is equal to 4. Now use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Keep on writing the formula, not one time but 10 times. So you definitely will become the master of these all things, if you are in habit of doing the written practices as many times as possible. Now, very simple, n is 12, that I need to calculate, and n is 12 upon 2, 2a, 2 into minus 37, plus n minus 1 means 12 minus 1, 11, d is 4. So just put it here, this is 6, minus 74 plus 44, 6 into this is minus 30, so minus 180. Minus 180 will be the sum of these 12 terms, as the terms are in minus sign, so that you can check your answer also. And these are the questions where the n is given to you like 12 terms, 100 terms, first part is also there, you can see to 10 terms. So A, N and D. So in all these 4 parts, so remaining 3 now you can solve of your own and just let me know whether you are clear with that or not. Then second question, one part from second question I will pick and remaining parts you have to solve. If any doubt will be there, you just let me know. So that will be the last part for today's lecture, and then onwards question 3 I would like to add that in next lecture to you. So suppose I am taking third part of this question number 2 with you. So exercise 5.3, here it is. The AP given to minus 5 plus 10 bracket, then it is minus 8, again plus bracket, minus 11 plus so on, and now the last term is given to you plus bracket minus 230, plus bracket minus 230. So now you can see here, this is an AP given to you. So you can write down the information again, what is A, what is N and what is D. So keep on writing that information. So you can see here A is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. This is there minus 5 plus minus 8. So A is equal to minus 5. D minus 8 minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 8 minus 5 minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. AD. Now n directly is not given. Here this is given AN is equal to minus 230. Please be careful. In previous question it was like 12 terms, 10 terms. So that was n, number of terms. But here the plus sign is there in between. This is an AP. So this is the nth term. So you have to write AN is equal to minus 230. So by using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 230. Substitute this value, minus 5 plus n is given, I have to calculate, and D is minus 3. I will be able to calculate the value of n from here, minus 5 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to n is equal to 3 7s are and 3 6 are, that is equal to 76. So here you have to write n is equal to 76, and finally Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You need to find Sn. Now S76, 76 upon 2, again 2 into minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 is 75, and d you have is minus 3. Use this, 2 3s are, 2 8s are, 38 into, here it is, minus 10 minus 225, so 38 into this comes minus 235, and then do this calculation. So 38 into minus 235, you will be getting somewhere the product is equal to minus 8930. That will be the answer, minus 8930. So 4 parts are there. I think that is enough for today. So do practice of question number 1 and question number 2. Then in next lecture we will be covering all the 10 parts of question number 3, because that is also very important. Then we can proceed afterwards to the other parts of this exercise. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice time.